Strange and rare phenomena in the sky that science has recorded, from optical phenomena such as halos, sundogs, fire rainbows, to unique meteorological phenomena such as lenticular clouds, nacreous clouds, Kelvin-Helmholtz wave clouds. In addition, the video also mentions mysterious phenomena such as ball lightning, animal rain, or high-altitude lightning, sprites. These natural phenomena not only amaze because of their breathtaking beauty, but also arouse curiosity and the desire to explore more about the natural world and the atmosphere around us. That's what we want to talk about today with Top 15 Strange Phenomena in the Sky. Let's get started. Number 1 is a blood moon, which occurs during a total lunar eclipse, when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, blocking the Sun's rays from shining directly on the Moon. Instead of disappearing completely, the Moon turns a reddish-orange color as sunlight is refracted through the Earth's atmosphere, similar to what happens at sunset. This characteristic red color is the result of short wavelength light, blue, violet, being scattered, while longer wavelength red light passes through and shines on the Moon. This phenomenon is not only spectacular, but is also associated with many legends and beliefs in folklore around the world. Number 2 is roll clouds, a rare type of cloud that has a long cylindrical shape that stretches across the sky. They often appear alone, not connected to other clouds, and can roll evenly like a giant roll. Roll clouds form when cold air rushes under a layer of warm, moist air, causing the air to rise and condense into the cloud in its characteristic roll shape. Although they may look fierce, roll clouds are not usually associated with dangerous weather, but their sudden appearance and rolling motion make for a spectacular and mysterious sight in the sky. Number 3 is the fire rainbow, which is actually not a rainbow or fire, but a rare optical phenomenon known scientifically as a circumhorizontal arc. It occurs when sunlight passes through hexagonal ice crystals in high-altitude cirrus clouds. For this phenomenon to occur, the sun must be at least 58 degrees above the horizon, causing the light to refract and disperse into colorful bands that stretch across the clouds, resembling a horizontal rainbow. The vibrant colors and diffuse shape make this phenomenon appear as if it is on fire in the sky, creating a surreal and impressive scene rarely seen in nature. Number 4 is the Northern Lights. Aurora borealis is a beautiful and mysterious light phenomenon that often appears in regions near the North Pole, such as Norway, Sweden, Canada, or Alaska. Aurora occurs when charged particles from the solar wind collide with gas molecules in the Earth's upper atmosphere, mainly oxygen and nitrogen. These collisions release energy in the form of light, creating shimmering bands of light with the main colors of green, purple, red, or pink, constantly moving like silk ribbons dancing across the night sky. Not only is it a spectacular natural phenomenon, the aurora also has deep cultural significance in many ancient civilizations and today attracts millions of tourists from all over the world to admire. Number 5 is rain of animals, a strange natural phenomenon in which small creatures such as fish, frogs, crabs, or even birds fall from the sky, resembling rain. This phenomenon is rare but has been recorded in many places around the world, especially in areas near the sea or rivers. The most common cause is believed to be tornadoes, waterspouts, or strong winds that pick up these creatures from the ground or water, lift them high, and transport them over great distances before dropping them back to the ground as rain. Although it may sound unbelievable, rain of animals is an interesting testament to the power and unpredictability of nature. Number 6 is polar stratospheric clouds, also known as pearl clouds, are rare clouds that form in the stratosphere over the polar regions in extremely cold weather conditions, often below -78 degrees Celsius. They have a mother-of-pearl appearance and come in vibrant colors, pink, blue, yellow. that reflect the sunlight just before sunrise or just after sunset. Despite their beauty, nacreous clouds have negative environmental impacts as they promote chemical reactions that destroy the ozone layer, especially during the Antarctic winter. They are a prime example of how a natural phenomenon can be both beautiful and dangerous to the Earth. Number 7 is a sundog, also known as a parhelion, is an optical phenomenon that creates two bright spots on either side of the sun, making it appear as if there are three suns in the sky. This phenomenon occurs when sunlight is refracted through horizontally arranged hexagonal ice crystals in high-level cirrus or cirrostratus clouds. The resulting light bends, creating colorful halos on either side, often accompanied by a faint halo surrounding the sun. Sundogs usually appear in cold, dry weather, and while not uncommon, they always provide a magical and unusual sight that attracts the attention of observers. Number 8 is sprites, a rare atmospheric electrical phenomenon that occurs in the upper atmosphere, 50 to 90 kilometers above the ground, often above strong thunderstorms. Unlike regular lightning, sprites have diverse shapes, such as pillars or tree branches, that glow red or purple, appearing very quickly for only a few thousandths of a second and then disappearing. This phenomenon represents the complex interaction between electrical activity in thunderstorms and the ionosphere, providing deeper insight into the strange physical processes taking place in the sky that humans cannot directly observe regularly. Although they do not directly affect the ground, sprites are still an interesting research topic, opening up many directions for exploring the atmosphere and natural phenomena. Number 9 is Kelvin-Helmholtz wave clouds, are a cloud phenomenon with a very special shape, resembling rolling ocean waves in the sky. They form when there is a difference in speed or density between two adjacent layers of air, causing rolling waves at the boundary between the two layers. The unique shape and wave-like movement of Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds make them look like impressive natural works of art. This phenomenon not only attracts the attention of photographers and nature lovers, but also vividly demonstrates the physical principles related to atmospheric fluid dynamics. Number 10 is noctilucent clouds, a very rare and special type of cloud that appears in the highest layer of the atmosphere, about 80 kilometers above the ground, at dusk or dawn when the sun has set or has not yet risen but still illuminates the upper atmosphere. These clouds have bright colors, usually blue or silver, creating a magical scene in the night sky near the poles. Noctilucent clouds are formed from very small ice crystals in the extremely cold conditions of the upper atmosphere, and their appearance is related to climate change as well as human activities. This is a beautiful natural phenomenon, but also a warning sign of complex changes in the Earth's atmospheric system. Number 11. Halo is an optical phenomenon that appears as a ring of light or multiple concentric rings surrounding the sun or moon. This phenomenon occurs when light passes through small hexagonal ice crystals in high clouds such as cirrostratus clouds. The light is refracted and reflected inside these crystals, creating rings of light with gently mixed colors, usually white or with a faint rainbow. Halos not only make the sky look magical, but are also often seen as a sign of weather changes, especially the appearance of storms or rain. This is one of the most beautiful natural phenomena and is widely observed around the world. Number 12 is lenticular clouds, are clouds with a distinctive shape resembling flying saucers or convex lenses, often appearing in mountainous or rugged terrain. They form when moist air is pushed up by mountain ranges, creating air waves behind the mountain range. When this moist air condenses at the highest point of the wave, lenticular clouds appear with smooth surfaces and clear shapes. These clouds do not move with the wind like normal clouds, but stay in one place, creating a unique sight and often reminding people of alien flying saucers. Lenticular clouds not only attract the attention of meteorologists, but also inspire many works of art and popular culture. Number 13 is anvil clouds, which are the flat, extended tops of cumulonimbus clouds that develop during thunderstorms. As columns of warm, moist air rise from the ground, they encounter the stable troposphere in the stratosphere, causing the cloud tops to spread out, forming a distinctive anvil-like or tower-like shape. Anvil clouds are often a sign of severe thunderstorms, which can be accompanied by heavy rain, thunder, gusty winds, and even tornadoes. Therefore, the appearance of this cloud often warns of dangerous weather and is used by meteorologists to predict upcoming storms and hurricanes. Number 14 is ball lightning, a rare and mysterious atmospheric phenomenon that usually appears as luminous balls ranging from a few centimeters to a few meters in size, hovering or moving in the air for a few seconds to a few minutes. Unlike regular lightning, which is a fast and thin flash of light, ball lightning can appear in a variety of colors such as white, yellow, red, or blue, and is often accompanied by a low rumble or boom. This phenomenon occurs during or near thunderstorms, but the exact mechanism that forms ball lightning is still not fully explained by science, making it a fascinating and mysterious topic in the field of atmospheric physics. Finally, mushroom clouds are a type of cloud with a characteristic mushroom-like shape, often appearing after large explosions, especially nuclear explosions or other powerful explosions. When an explosion occurs, hot air rises rapidly to form a large column of air, while the surrounding cold air is sucked up, creating a bulging cloud top with a characteristic umbrella or mushroom shape. Mushroom clouds are a powerful symbol of terrible destruction and are often associated with extreme man-made or natural disasters. In addition, this type of cloud can also appear after large forest fires or volcanic explosions, demonstrating a strong interaction between high temperatures and the surrounding air.
Subscribe to TopList 24 hours to learn more and watch some of our other popular videos. Thank you very much.